everyone, this is how I worked on the pen drawing of a really beautiful little bird. First, fixate your paper with adhesive tape. This is not an essential step, but it helps you to decide on the upper and lower boundaries of your drawing, especially important when you work not only in one sitting but several, not in one day but for a certain length of time. The next step is to decide on the borders of your drawing. So for this one, it is the head of the bird and also the lower part of the rock-like wood the bird is standing on. As well as the left and right borders. This is very important, and it's also part of essential side-size drawing techniques. Actually, I learned all these from who is the classical painting artist in France in the 19th century. I will introduce him more in the coming videos. Also use the watercolour paper or any thicker paper for my ballpen drawings. Then the third step is deciding on the positions of the crucial parts of the object. So as you can see, we spend time on determining the convenient positions of any parts that are important to the composition of your drawing. Parts of the bird, some horizontal parts of the wood, and its high points, low points, the leg of the bird should all be paid attention to. Because we aim to produce a realistic drawing from the phone, we will want to find out all the crucial points first. Yeah, the bottom part. I think it's really convenient for now when our tutorials are about how to draw pictures from the phone or a pad or tablet. Actually, you can just drag your pencil or pen from the phone to your drawing paper and determining all the positions and points, the slopes, and the relative points of different parts of your drawing. Actually, it's also upcoming in my later videos that we will talk about the relative points and positioning of the drawing. And it's like, if you remember, when we do mathematics, the x-axis and y-axis of the coordinates of the points, it's also used in this drawing process. Two more things that I advise you to do in this very first stage of drawing are: first, I ignore the details, including the curves, like the beautiful curved these curves and details, it poses hindrance to your first stage of drawing if you try to get them down precisely. Just put straight lines down and make geometric shapes. You do not need to attend to the detailed feather patterns for now. What this beginning stage requires is just a rough outline of the object and some background, including the wood. But the outline should have more or less accurate endpoints and horizontal and vertical lines and straight slopes. So the details ignored, and also the curves be drawn with straight lines. These are also the skills offered by Xiaoban Yu, and I get really much from his drawing course. We'll talk about that later on.
certain extent, we're happy to determine the vital points of this drawing object. And they are very important because we continue to use these points for measuring the remaining parts of the object and its shadows and its details in the later stages.
In my opinion, this very first stage of getting down the accurate parts of the drawing is the most important stage. It determines the quality of our finished drawing. So don't haste to getting down all the details. In the next video, I'll show you how to put in more details of this little bird. If you like drawing and painting and would love more of my art tutorials, click on the red subscribe button and stay tuned. See you next time.